In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly get started selling products on Zenfolio by using our pre-filled price list. To receive notifications about new tutorials and our weekly live stream, make sure to click the subscribe button. First, hover over Selling and click on Price List. Click Add New Price List and then give the price list a name. Now, as you can see, this price list has been pre-populated with products for you. You can see more details by expanding each section. The pricing formula will allow you to adjust the markup on all of the products in this category. You can apply a fixed markup, which is a set dollar amount over what the lab charges, a percentage-based markup, or a combination of both. You can also set your price list to round up to the nearest dollar amount if you would like. You can fine-tune your markup by manually setting your selling price or your profit. The selling price is what the client will pay. The Zenfolio service fee is 7%, and the base cost is what the lab charges for this product. The profit is what will be deposited into your account when this product is sold. The gear icon controls the ordering options that are available to your clients when they're placing orders. I recommend configuring the color correction and die cuttings yourself rather than leaving them to allow the clients to choose. Zenfolio allows you to control the markup and ordering options independently for each product category, so you want to make sure that you do this before saving the price list. The Quick Shop list controls what products show up on your client's Quick Shop buying panel. By default, it will automatically add 10 products. However, you can manually customize this if you wish. When you're finished setting up your price list, click the Save and Assign button to apply this price list to a single gallery or a group of galleries. If you plan on charging sales tax, you can set that up by hovering over Settings and click on Selling. Then click on Sales Tax. Check the box that says I want to collect sales tax, choose your state, then select how you would like your sales tax calculated and what you would like to charge it on. If you're not sure, I recommend getting in contact with a local tax authority to make sure that you are complying with all local tax laws. Once you are finished, click Save. This is Robert with Zenfolio. Thank you for watching and good luck with your account.